Hello, I'm Manuel Velasquez. I'm a composer, work in films, has his own music, done a lot of things. And I'm here to invite you to a composition and music creation course that I'm putting together with Ideas blog. The idea is an online course, given the current times. And it's a short course. Mainly the idea is to get to know really thoroughly what is the process of making music, which is not an easy thing. I've been a composer a lot of years, and not until I started teaching I realized that I didn't know this myself really well, even though I have been composing for many years. So we're going to try to break it down, what it means to make music in the sense of crafting, and then we're going to do several little pieces once a week. It's a 6-session course. And then we're going to try to approach making music from different places, from a melody, from rhythm, from timbre, from harmony. You don't need to have a lot of musical knowledge to get in, but also if you already have musical knowledge, this is going to be useful, because we're not going to get into harmony and music theory. We're just going to get into what is the process of creating music that usually happens subconsciously in the composer's mind. We're going to try to make it conscious, and through making it conscious we're going to try to exploit it as much as we can in the best sense, because exploiting it means making music. There's a writing that you can check that has the information better put in this video, and hope you enjoy it. Bye.